Hello everyone and welcome to Technology, a channel dedicated for technologies and automation.
Earbuds left behind.
In the previous video, I also demonstrated how to use Bixby as your virtual personal assistant to handle daily activities and simplify your life. If you are new, I advise you to watch the earlier videos to learn more about how to use your mobile devices for purposes other than calling, texting, and using social media. The links are given in description. I'll show you in this video how to set up Bixby to manage your gadgets, including earbuds, smartwatches, and other Bluetooth and wirelessly connected devices. For Apple users, there will be another video on Siri shortcut. The reason I broke this up into parts is because this video requires a little more comprehension, as tracking your gadgets will require both a conventional setup and a workaround that will allow Bixby to remind you in a voice note. Now let's begin the setup. We will use same if and then strategy as explained in earlier video. Click on if. You can either type Bluetooth or scroll to the Bluetooth option. The next step is to choose the disconnected option. Why? Because it will serve as a reminder in case the device becomes disconnected. Click on device and the list of your Bluetooth devices will appear. I'll use Galaxy Buds here, but the same procedures apply to other devices as well. After that, click on then. Select sounds and vibration. Select sound mode and volume. Select sound. The sound can be adjusted to suit your preferences. It will function as sound notification from this point forward, which is also suitable in this scenario. However, I added a voice note so that I will be notified by voice rather than sound notification. The purpose of this is to distinguish between messages and ensure that you receive the correct message in all circumstances. However, if you are fine to use only the sound notification and not a voice message, then you can click next to end this setup right here. Let's add a voice warning message now. Click on the plus sign under then. Click notification, show custom notifications. I will name it as earbuds. Write the message you want to be read aloud as a warning message under the notification text. Click read this notification aloud. If you want to add a beep sound as well, then add it, and that's it. Click next, choose color and icon, and finish. I hope this video was informative and I am looking forward to your feedback and comments. Take care and have a wonderful and productive digital experience.